Oh, hi. I almost didn't see you there. What? Oh, my hair? Yeah, I cut it off. Guys, look at it. Oh my god, look at it. I am going to show you what went down at the salon. This was my first time going to the salon and I was nervous as hell. I was so nervous, but the results are stunning. I haven't had my hair this short since, I don't know, but when I figure it out, I'm gonna put the photo and put the year. So I was a little nervous to go back this short just because I said that I would never cut it past here again. But here we are. And you know what? I honestly love it. Like, I feel so happy, so free. I feel like my credit score is 800. I feel like we're going to the Hamptons next week. Like, this is... I'm stunned. I'm nervous to go to sleep because I don't want it to puff up. But anyways, I'm gonna ride it till the wheels fall off. I'm going to get into the rest of the video. I hope you subscribe. My name is Bri-Anne Alexis. If I never said that, join the YouTube gang. we seeing this? These are the results. So bouncy, so shiny. Let me turn around. So you can see. And I was just saying, like, if anybody thought that I was annoying with long hair, oh my god. Oh my god. I'm a menace now. Hello. Hi. This is hands down, I feel like, the best silk press I've gotten in the city. I feel like as I level up, I say that, but you know, you kind of get what you get when you get it, and then when you get better, you're like, actually, this is way better. So as I'm saying, this is the best. She went over my hair twice, period. Like one for the flat iron, and then again for the beautiful beach waves she put in, and my hair smells amazing. At other salons I've left, my hair smelled very, like, you know, that burnt hair salon smell, and I don't like that at all, but my hair smells amazing. The shine, as you can see, and I have natural lighting right now. There are no lights on my hair. This is just the natural shine that you would see if you saw me in person. I can't get over it. The process was great. She's really big on keeping your hair moisturized, and as you can see, as I've said, she knows what she's talking about. She understands hair moisture, and that's so important because there's so many salons and stylists that compromise your hair health for the style, and that's something that should never be compromised. I mean, hair is hair, yes, but if you're going to a stylist for a service, you know, the health should be their priority, really. So yes, I'm very happy. I don't know if I have anything else to say because I'll probably start being like for the rest of the video. But you can find me on TikTok. Oh, TikTok. Let's talk about it. The girlies on TikTok were mad at me. They were like, you need to cut your hair. Il faut couper. Like, they were coming at me in every language. I was like, all right, babes. I know you're not, you know, in my YouTube gang, because if you were, you would know that I've already been thinking about cutting it. I've already been talking about it for months now, so you don't have to, you know, come at my throat. But anyways, I digress. They're there, so when you go over and follow me on TikTok, you will see that there was a whirlwind there. You can send me a message on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram. You can always leave me a comment here. I see them. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!